What is the process of reprogramming a key fob after a battery replacement?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of reprogramming your key fob after a battery replacement. This may seem daunting, but rest assured, we've got you covered. By following these steps, you will be able to reprogram your key fob in no time. So, let's dive in.
Why reprogram a key fob?
When you replace the battery of your key fob, sometimes it may lose its pairing with the car. This is because the electrical connection that allows your key fob to communicate with the vehicle is momentarily lost. To restore this connection, the key fob needs to be reprogrammed.
Tools required.
Before we start, make sure you have the following: your vehicle's key fob, the vehicle's ignition key, if separate, a new battery for your key fob, if you haven't replaced it yet.
Battery replacement.
The first step is to replace the battery in your key fob. This process varies depending on the model and make of your car. However, most key fobs have a small notch that you can use a flathead screwdriver to open. Once open, replace the old battery with a new one. Be sure to check the positive and negative orientation.
Key fob reprogramming process.
Once the new battery is in place, here's how to reprogram your key fob. 1. Get inside your car. With your key fob and ignition key, get inside your vehicle and close all doors. 2. Turn the ignition on and off. Insert your vehicle key into the ignition. Turn it to the on position and then back to the off position. Repeat this step a few times in quick succession, typically around 8 times. 3. Listen for a lock sound. If done correctly, you will hear the doors lock and then unlock, indicating the vehicle has entered programming mode. 4. Press a button on the key fob. Once in programming mode, immediately press any button on your key fob. 5. Listen for a confirmation sound. After pressing a button on your key fob, you should hear the doors lock and unlock again. This indicates your key fob has been reprogrammed and is now recognized by your vehicle. Remember, this process may vary slightly depending on the make and model of your car. Always refer to your vehicle's owner manual for the most accurate information. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to reprogram your key fob after a battery replacement. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. Safe driving, everyone!